Yo, there's a boy.
Ndathite maine tuo gwetha Ngai.
Wi mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Maybe TV ngwira niho mucie wigue wi mucie ruga mwini Sammy K kwaniko nenda-ini ni DJ umwe akiuga aregete kana akaremwo kumuriha ciringi 16,000 iria amurutire wira. Riu Kinyua wa Iratu niaugite ni akuriha mwini uria no mutungatiri thiri uyu wothe. Kinya augite ndangirorera utungata wa Sammy K uria akoretwo akimurathima kwa miaka mingi ukihakwo giko. Akandika atiriri Kinyua wa Iratu, I will pay the debt of on behalf of Sammy K original, for I can't wait to see the big ministry being tarnished by small debt. His songs are just amazing. They have been blessing to me for years. To all debtors, besha nishiagaga. The good thing is to be patient. Some situations are not permanent. Never judge a temporary situation with a permanent decision. No ni wa Kinyua wa Iratu uria kirathimire Sammy K naguo. Mashabiki nao matinagitigwo na thutha. Turona maoni ngurani hena amwe tarauga atiriri na yeye angejieleza if he knew he's a brand angefika hapa. Tuheshimu kazi za watu, hata DJ ako hustler pia. Akauga but I love Sammy K song too. Muthonya kauga atiriri, that's all Kinyua wa Iratu, barikiwa sana. Shivo kauga atiriri, I love your way of doing things Kinyua. Ni congratulations kana ngatho kihetwo muno ni mashabiki thutha wa gwika giko kiu. Turona ungi haha kauga atiriri, good job but give him a training in his financial management, otherwise you will keep coming in for him. Hope he owe no other debt. Barikiwa wa mashoes alea no ni ngurani aria mashabiki makiruta kumana nao ni wa Kinyua wa Iratu. Kwa ni waku ni uriku kumana na video ino, comment hau thi na gituike wa gushare o hamwe na gusubscribe Miaki na Maybe TV o hinda ringi ni tumagara.